positive, positive, negative, negative,
cheer up, cheer up.
grumpy, grumpy.
Hello and welcome to Real Easy English. In this podcast, we have real conversations in easy English to help you learn. I'm Beth.
And I'm Neil.
Hello, Neil.
Hi, Beth.
How are you? Are you feeling happy today?
I'm feeling really happy today. How about you?
I'm good. I'm also happy. And today we're talking about happiness. We will talk about the things that make us happy and what to do if we're feeling sad and want to be happy.
Well, let's get started.
So, Neil, what makes you happy?
Oh, that's a good question. Recording real easy English. But also being with my friends and family makes me happy.
Why?
I like those people. And I like to be with people I like, and that makes me happy.
I think that is fair enough. I would say the same, being with people. I'm happy enough on my own, but I'm definitely happier when I'm around people I like.
Me too, yeah. Are you generally a positive person, do you think, or are you negative?
I think I'm generally positive. I like to smile and laugh, and I like to think positively. So even if something is a bit negative, I try to see the positive side in it. So I can be negative, but I think generally I'm positive and happy.
Yeah, even happy people are sometimes sad. What do you do if you're sad to make you happier?
I have a happy playlist full of songs that make me happy. So I might put on some songs, do some singing, do some dancing, and that will make me happy. What about you? What makes you happy if you're feeling a bit sad?
I think it's important to try to change the situation if you're sad. So I might do some exercise, go out for a walk, maybe try to have a conversation with a friend, just to change the way I feel.
Yeah, they're good ideas. Are you generally a positive person or a negative person?
Yeah, positive, I think, generally. But sometimes I'm a bit grumpy.
We're all a bit grumpy sometimes.
Yeah. Do you think it's important to be happy all the time?
All the time? No, I don't think so. I think you should just feel your emotions. I think if you're feeling sad, that's okay. Have a cry or do whatever you need to do and feel your emotions. Because if you try to cover them and just act happy and you're not, I don't think it's going to help your situation.
I think I agree. I don't think anyone's happy all the time. So, Beth, you like singing and dancing to your special playlist. Is there anything else you do that will cheer you up?
What else cheers me up? What else makes me happy if I'm feeling sad? I think, like you said, some exercise. So I might go out for a walk and ideally have a chat with a friend. That's basically what you said. But I do think that's a good idea. And sometimes fresh air and being outside in nature is what you need, especially if you're angry or grumpy or annoyed. You need to take time out, step away from the situation and just relax and maybe be outside, and then you'll feel happy again.
Yeah, I think that would cheer me up too.
Let's recap the vocabulary we heard during the conversation. A positive person is hopeful and confident. They think about the good parts of a situation.
And a negative person is the opposite of that. They don't expect good things and they think bad things are going to happen.
If you cheer up, then you start to feel happier. And you can also cheer a person up. That means that you do something to make them feel happier.
Yes, and you might need to cheer up someone who is grumpy. If you're grumpy, you're in a bad mood, maybe just for a short period of time.
And if you take time out, you stop doing the thing that makes you grumpy and try to relax or do something different.